Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a very simple tutorial of a photo collage which has been requested. So please keep on watching. I do have an in-depth photo collage tutorial on my channel too. I'll link it below. So let's get started. Firstly, open a new canvas and set the resolution to 150. The higher the resolution, the better the quality. Then open your chosen image, file, place, select image, then move the image to desired place. I'm going to keep this very simple, so I'm not adding any effects etc. Then enter or this confirm icon. Again I'm choosing another image, file, place, select image. As you can see, this image is too large, so holding down shift and alt, I'm going to resize it and reposition it, then enter or the confirmation mark. I'm going to repeat the process until the blank canvas is covered. So now I have all my images placed where I want them. I haven't applied any effects as I just wanted to show you all how to place images and resize. You can of course add effects of your choice. So I hope this has helped those that have requested me to make this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also feel free to leave any suggestions for more videos you would like to see.